Make a great choice today with the 2024 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. The Land Cruiser's power comes exclusively from a 5.7-liter V8 that churns out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.